G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm ripping through these projects and now I've got another one. I had this old Victa mower that's been sitting around for, geez, must be a few years while I've been using the Crusader, because I was having running problems with it. So I'm taking a deep dive into it and I thought I'd video it for you today. The problem we're encountering is that it starts and runs fine after putting a kit through the carburetor, but after it gets warm, the idle starts picking up and it starts oscillating on the limiter, no matter where you have the throttle. So this tends to indicate to me that there's a vacuum leak. So I'm replacing the seals in the engine. So there's one seal around here, and that one looked all right, but I thought, well, while I've got it apart, I'll do that. And you might as well have a look in there at the half crank on the Victa. So that's only got half a crankshaft on it, which is interesting. There's a spigot that comes off the side of the engine. It's got two screws mounting into it. It's got an O-ring there, which I had in a kit. It's also got this O-ring here, which looked pretty bad, so we've replaced that. Now that goes on bolts onto here. Stick it all back together and see what happens. I did actually try and make a video of it running yesterday, but I was working on the job and my mind was occupied with that, and I just ended up taking a still image of it. So yeah, pretty much a rookie error. I didn't have my glasses on to look at the screen on the GoPro, and I'm doing all the work myself. I thought it was recording, but yeah. All right, so we'll get on with the job now and put this thing back together and see what happens. Well, that was pretty satisfying. Throttle control's not doing much, but it gets the job done. Looks like it was that little O-ring on the engine crankcases, and that makes sense because that O-ring's getting a lot of heat off the engine. It's cast iron. Geez, I would have had this thing nearly 20 years, so we've got another mower back in commission to go with the old Crusader. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Don't like, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching anyway, guys.